Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Infiniti G35 seats. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a 14mm socket. Always disconnect your car's battery before starting any electrical work to prevent accidental shorts. This ensures your safety and protects the vehicle's electronics. Locate the 4 main mounting bolts for each front seat, usually found at the corners of the seat rails. Prepare to work carefully. To remove the front seats, begin by gently prying off the plastic covers that conceal the mounting bolts. Once exposed, use your ratchet and the appropriate socket to loosen and remove all 4 bolts. After the bolts are out, carefully tilt the seat back to access the electrical connectors underneath. Disconnect these by pressing the release tabs and pulling them apart. Now, you can lift the seat out of the vehicle with care. Removing the rear seats is often simpler. Start by locating the 2 retaining clips, usually found at the front edge of the lower seat cushion, one on each side. Push firmly inward on these clips while simultaneously lifting the front of the seat cushion upwards. Once the front is free, slide the entire seat cushion forward. This action will disengage the hooks at the rear of the seat, allowing you to lift and remove the cushion completely from the vehicle. Reinstalling your seats is straightforward. Simply reverse the removal steps. Ensure all electrical connectors are firmly reattached before reconnecting the battery. Double-check that all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for safety. Remember to test all seat functions like power adjustments and airbags, if applicable, before driving. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.